Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. What's up for today? So it's been a while since I last had a video, but for today it's actually special. I'm going to do an unboxing! I've done unboxing lang on my stories in IG, but I haven't really done an unboxing video in my vlog, and this is quite a special one because I had my first free items here. Free stuff, free stuff, free stuff. That's the way I call it. For the very first time, I already received the free stuff from Sand Flare. Ayan, so lalagyan ko na lang ng picture dito ng logo nila, Sand Flare. I received this yesterday, so natanggal ko na siya actually sa package niya, but so hindi na siya masyadong unboxing kasi wala rin naman siyang box, pero papakita ko na sa inyo yung mga na-receive ko na products. So I actually received 2 products from Sand Flare, and ito sila. Yes, that's the logo. Sobrang basic lang. Okay, so I have 2 items here. Free stuff and a special one. Okay, so let's start with the one with the box kasi nga sabi ko, as I've mentioned, this is an unboxing. You open the box. Ta-da! Yes, it's a bracelet. It's a set of bracelet. So I have 1, 2, and 3. For the first one, I'll give you the details. It has a leaf detail in the end, as you can see. So I'll just wear it so I can show it to you guys. Okay. Then the next is like the basic one. So basic. And lastly, it has a different detail. So it looks like this when worn. So it's a set of bracelet. Okay, and then the other item that I had comes in this bag. So you can see meron din siyang logo. It has a logo also, Sand Flare. Guess what it is? It's actually a... Ta-da! It's actually a bikini. Okay, it's a bikini. A 2-piece bikini. Color gray. Charcoal gray. So it looks like this. And the bottom actually looks like this. Ang sexy. The logo located at the back looks like this. It also has a protective sticker in the inner part of the bottom. So it looks like this again. The bottom looks like this. Lakas baka na din lustre. Ganyan yung mga peg ng bikini nila. And the top looks like this. So these are actually the free items I received. My very first free items I received my overall vlogging career. So again, it looks like this and this. Yes. If you're interested, guys, to get this item, I actually have a gift for everyone in which you can use my promo code. I'll just put it down here na lang, the promo code, and it could actually give you 30% discount of your total order in Sand Flare. Alright? So again, if you want to score these items, these bracelets, and this 2-piece bikini, order this again from Sand Flare. Here, it's Sand Flare, www.sandflare.com, and when you click your orders towards the end, you can actually use my promo code. That's Sand Flare Eula Charisse. So I'll just put it here. and it will give you 30% discount. Alright guys, that's actually my gift for you guys, my advance Christmas gift for everyone, for all my subscribers. Alright, if you enjoyed my channel, please do like this video. If you wish to see more unboxing or free stuffs, please comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!